Greetings from the adventure of the future. Prepare to travel the world in unparalleled luxury and elegance. Introducing the Volkswagen Motorhome 2026, a masterpiece that is revolutionizing travel. Volkswagen's sleek, contemporary design is first alluring because of its distinctive aerodynamic lines, which create a form that is both stylish and practical. You enter a universe that has been painstakingly prepared for each travel as soon as the automatic sliding doors open smoothly. This RV is powered by many cutting-edge engines designed for maximum efficiency and performance. A quiet and eco-friendly all-electric EV powertrain with a large capacity battery that offers an outstanding range for zero-emission excursions is an option, as is a potent plug-in hybrid diesel engine with quick torque for long-distance driving. A modern and user-friendly interface greets you as you take the wheel. From the center console to the instrument panel, a large, curved touchscreen links all of the vital car information and features. You can stay engaged and connected with a state-of-the-art entertainment system that effortlessly integrates wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Numerous USB-C connections, wireless charging, and precise digital temperature management are dotted throughout to guarantee constant connectivity and ease. The interior design strikes the ideal harmony between practicality and flair. A cozy and welcoming ambience is produced by using high-quality materials including vegan leather upholstery, certified light wood, and soft, recyclable linens. Its modular design allows you to change the space as needed, turning it from a comfortable eating area during the day to a peaceful retreat at night. Though adjustable LED ambient lighting adds a distinctive touch, large panoramic windows provide breathtaking vistas of every location. The bedroom is meant to be a peaceful haven. After a day of exploration, a comfy queen-size bed with an ergonomic mattress ensures restful sleep. Your luggage capacity is increased by cleverly concealed storage areas around the walls and beneath the bed. A good night's sleep is guaranteed by soft lighting and blackout curtains, while optimal air circulation is ensured by sufficient ventilation. This little yet practical bathroom is proof that elegance doesn't have to take up a lot of area. Features like a fold-down sink, a contemporary, energy-efficient cassette toilet, and an instant hot shower are all made to conserve room without compromising comfort. A sophisticated touch may be added with a mirror that has built-in illumination and is made of materials that are simple to clean and waterproof. Every daring chef's fantasy comes true in the kitchen of the 2026 Volkswagen Motorhome. You can make delectable meals anywhere you go with a stainless steel sink, a 2-burner induction cooktop, and a spacious refrigerator freezer. It serves as a center for on-the-go cooking activities due to its movable eating area and enough storage space for equipment and supplies.